Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Yeah, this is how we feel. 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 This is how. Yeah, this is how. This is how we feel. Yeah, this is how we. Yeah, this is how we feel.
Hey, it's the worst that could happen.
Don't say that. Last time we said that, car ended up sideways.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to another YouTube channel. I don't know where we are.
Recording.
We're at BP Torbanlia.
Just outside of Childers.
And where we go?
To Rainbow Beach.
And how long till we get to Rainbow Beach?
2 hours and 13 minutes.
Right. How long have we been driving for?
5 hours. No, 6 hours.
About a 6-hour drive. And where is it? Where are we at?
We are at Rainbow Beach.
Rainbow Beach. We're not on Fraser yet, but it's supposed to be a really big, huge sand dune, and we got these.
Sand below, actually.
What's the sand blow, Jacob?
Oh, basically, when it gets pretty windy on Fraser, blows the sand. This is the
Oh, that's brilliant.
bush turkey.
Bush turkey. Does that change the subject? Yeah, look at that.
So we paid $247.
So what was that for?
2 vehicles and 1 return barge ticket.
Okay, so you actually need permits to ride on Fraser. So we needed to get 2 vehicle permits. One. Did they say the bike and the car was the same?
For the permit.
Huh?
Permit's the same price.
So the permit's the same price, and then the barge is different. But because the bike's on the trailer on the back of the car, we actually only need 1 barge ticket, which was good. So $250 is like
And that's a month.
£150. So,
The permit, I think.
oh, you can stay there for a month.
Go.
There you go. Not that bad then, in the grand scheme of things. So we're gonna go fill up,
Yep.
and then
Meat.
get some meat, fill up,
Bikes.
and then we're gonna jump on the barge and go to the biggest sand island in the world.
Got to stick the sticker. Probably do about 18 psi.
How do you know what you're going down to?
My deflate is in there.
So, this is it. This is the, what's this bit? Inskip Point?
Yeah.
And that's going over to Fraser. Fraser is the biggest sand island in the world. I think it takes, is it 8 hours? 4 hours to get from end to end?
No, that's halfway.
So 8 hours.
I don't know.
Well, it's 4 hours to get from half where we're going, which is the bottom, to halfway up. So it could probably take, following logic, 8 hours to do the whole thing. But
Right?
we're on this. I haven't actually introduced this bike yet, although you've seen the 5 Rocks video. Look, 2018 DRZ, unkillable machine, I've been told. Though I have a way of killing unkillable machines. So we'll see how she does. Just have to slap these stickers on, which are permits, air down the tires, and we're off to Fraser.
The feeling I felt right there was one I had felt many times before, and I love it. The anticipation of adventure and discovering the unknown on 2 wheels is a feeling I chase as regularly as I can. I can't wait to share what we found with you in episode 2 of On to Kangari, an exploration of the largest sand island in the world.
It's so strong enough.